Hey, it's Ken with Casual Furniture World bringing you another comparison video today. We're going to be looking at our two wood-fired pizza ovens that we show on our floor, the Alfa versus the Coyote. First, we're going to be looking at Alfa today. The thing I love about Alfa is it is made in Italy, so it's a second generation company. They've been making pizza ovens for a long time, and they've recently re-engineered their pizza ovens. So looking inside these pizza ovens, everyone's going to come with this removable lip, and this is how you kind of control your temperature by how far you leave this thing in or out on your opening. But all of your ceramic bricks are made in Italy, which is really nice. So you can order these in 3 different colors now. I think we can do red, yellow, and gray. So they've changed their colors recently. You can order just the head or the base. If you want to order a base, normally it's an additional about $9.39 for the base. But you know, if you're thinking about cooking pizza, you're a serious pizza cooker, they do several different sizes. The one that we're going to be comparing to the Coyote today is the Moderno 3. They kind of compare in size, and those are going to be around a 38 to 48 inch size pizza oven. So you certainly can fit anywhere from 3 to 4 pizzas in there. And how they manufacture these is they do, it is coated in a stainless steel, 304 stainless steel, so it's not going to rust. It is a power-coated aluminum finish that you'll have on these as well. They are layering this with stainless steel and ceramic, so it is layered for insulation, so you're going to hold great temperature up to 1,000 degrees within these. So once you get your wood stoked and pushed over to the side or to the rear of the pizza oven, you should be able to cook a pizza in like 3 to 4 minutes. So it's very quick and easy. And it's not only just pizzas, you can cook anything in here. You could do steaks in a cast iron skillet, or any type of, you know, you could bake some pies, you could do cookies. It's endless the amount of foods you can cook inside these. So it's just not limited to pizza. Alfa obviously has been doing it for a long time. They do offer their pizza ovens in gas. You do have to order it natural gas, and then you can, or you do have to order it propane, and then you can convert the pizza oven to natural gas if you'd like. So you can't just order it in whatever gas type you want. And then if you order it in gas, you do have to order a hybrid kit. And that allows you to burn wood and run gas, so you can do either or. So it's a little different from the Coyote. We're about to look at Coyote and what it offers as well. I really do love Alfa. It's a really high-end product. They do a great job of manufacturing it, and if you're looking for the real deal, it really is the real deal. It comes from Italy. A lot of the pieces, the ceramics from Italy, they're making it by hand. So it is a great product. So let's go over to the Coyote. We're going to check it out, and I'll kind of tell you a little bit about the extra things that you get with that product. So this is the Coyote 40-inch wood-burning pizza oven that they offer. It does come with the lip. We've just taken it off in this case. That will control your temperature. What I really like about this pizza oven is what they do. So they do give you a double wall chimney pipe here. So Alfa's not doing that. This is insulated, so this outer pipe shouldn't get, of course it's going to be hot to the touch, but it's not going to be like steaming hot to the touch. So if somebody accidentally touches this for some reason, they're not going to burn themselves. It is a double wall pipe. The other thing that I really like is they do give you a 4-piece tool set. So your brush, your peels, your rake, everything you need to be able to do a pizza, you get day one. So I can easily unbox this and use it the same day. So with Alfa, I do have to buy that 4-piece set, and it's about 300 bucks. So they really did think about everything. Both products are priced about the same, so you're not really losing any money or saving any money going to either product. The Coyote is available in gray like you see here, yellow, and red. So you can do it in 3 different colors as well. It is an Italian base, so this is a foreign product. It's made in Asia. You know, it's still giving you ceramic inside the grill. You can cook easily, I would say probably 3 to 4 pizzas, large pizzas inside this. And you do have a lot of functionality. You can get a cart for a little bit less than Alfa, right around 800 bucks. So your cost differential, a little less because you're saving on the tool sets, less expensive for the cart. You aren't getting the true Italian made and true, but it is a great product for the money. You do get some of the safety features like the double-walled pipe here, and it's great for like a kitchen situation like this. So you can order them just a head only like this. You don't have to get it with the cart. So we love Coyote. We've been doing a lot with Coyote lately. It also is available in gas, but you have to order it in gas. The great thing about their gas options is you can order it either or. So I can order it in propane or natural gas. So that's the difference between Coyote and Alfa.